Over 50 years ago, I think, from 1972 or what.
Wow, they kept the price the same.
It might have been less than that,
might have
right?
been less back then.
Probably 25 cents in 1972.
Las Vegas famous $1 shrimp
But
cocktail.
now, yeah, this is the only dollar. Let's see what the quality is like, though.
We're all gonna be trying it for the
honestly
first
never had it
time.
before.
So it's a whole buffet they have here for super cheap, but they also got a 99-cent shrimp cocktail. We're all gonna take a test for the first time at Lanai inside the Fremont Casino.
There you go.
On Fremont Street, of course. Even for a buffet, it's pretty cheap.
We came for the cheap. We came for the cheap. Yeah. Check it out. We gotta check it out. We're all vloggers for YouTube too.
Yeah.
Hey, who's this handsome man? Ronnie. Yeah, Ronnie in the house. In the house.
Anything else?
Oh, that's it.
That's it. Thank you.
I guess for
Look at
Vegas,
those cheap prices. Oh yeah. Compared to what we've seen so far, it's pretty cheap. But then also we come from Vancouver, right? So we're used to expensive prices.
All right.
That's the shrimp cocktail. Small, but got a lot of little shrimp in it.
Oh no, that for $1? That looks okay.
Oh, for that much shrimp, it's a deal. That's definitely worth it. Stay tuned as we try it out. Came up to 322 with taxes.
All right, grab your shrimp cocktails and see what it looks like. Where do you get? Oh,
Take a grab.
Here it is.
Awesome.
Thank you. How do you eat it? Just
Do we have spoons or something? Or oh, that side. So grab the spoons somewhere around here. Oh, back here.
there's spoons somewhere.
Yeah. Wait to the back. We'll just gotta wait here. Oh, sorry, you're reversing.
I'll grab this one right here that's already sitting there. It's probably dirty, but you know, this is only 99 cents.
Dispense.
This is a 99-cent shrimp.
Here's a spoon.
You expect a free spoon for 99 cents?
Give this a try. Done. So here we got it.
You're putting some?
Yeah. So here we got it, the $1 shrimp cocktail.
99 cents, man.
Oh, sorry, 99-cent shrimp cocktail.
Don't rip us off now.
That penny, dude.
Squirt lime on it.
With tax, it was 8 cents more.
Oh, not bad. Mix seafood. Oh,
107 exactly.
so many shrimp. Let's just try it. I know it's jumping out. Let's give this a try. Look at that. Delicious, tiny little shrimp. Yeah, one fell out.
See, one was still alive.
There's some skin on it, but yeah, it's good.
There's shell.
It's a little bit of shell, but it tastes good.
Mushy. Kind of mushy.
Yeah. It's not great, but it's not bad either.
Hey, 99 cents.
Especially if you're drunk after being on Fremont Street, it's great.
Good point. Excellent
great.
point. It's good drunk food.
All right.
Find out later though.
We're gonna give this a try. Hang out a bit here and talk with Laughing Lion, Where Are You Maria, and Doug P Vlogs. Stay tuned for more adventures on Fremont Street.
He eats skunk in Mexico, so he eats a...
Let's wait for Maria.
Yeah.
Here, stick this in your pocket.
Hold it for now.
You're in charge. $3 Heineken. We might not be sober tonight, so you're in charge. Ready?
All the YouTubers.
Cheers.
Hey, Las Vegas.
$3 Heineken.
Viva Las Vegas.
Oh, it's ice cold.
Viva.
$3 Heineken only at Fremont
Ice cold and $3.
Casino.
$3. Ice cold.